In the bustling landscape of digital marketing, selecting the optimal tools is crucial for businesses aiming to foster meaningful connections with their audience. Amidst a plethora of options, GetResponse carves out a distinguished position, presenting itself as a formidable all-in-one solution engineered to refine email campaigns, automate marketing endeavors, and amplify user engagement. This detailed review will explore the multifaceted offerings of GetResponse, critically examining its user-friendliness, comprehensive features, pricing models, and customer support efficiency. Elevating email marketing to new heights. Central to GetResponse's suite of features is its exceptional email marketing capability. The platform empowers users, regardless of their technical know-how, to craft engaging newsletters and email campaigns with ease, thanks to its intuitive drag-and-drop editor. This accessibility is augmented by an extensive repository of templates, ensuring that each email not only resonates with its intended audience but also stands out in the increasingly crowded inboxes of today. Revolutionizing marketing with automation. Where GetResponse truly shines is in its sophisticated marketing automation tools. These tools enable the creation of intricate, automated workflows that adapt to subscriber behavior, delivering personalized experiences that resonate on an individual level. This functionality is indispensable for nurturing leads and propelling conversions while significantly reducing the manual labor traditionally associated with such tasks. Beyond email, landing pages and conversion funnels. Expanding its repertoire well beyond the realms of traditional email marketing, GetResponse offers robust solutions for crafting landing pages and conversion funnels. This integrated approach is designed to not only capture but also convert leads effectively, positioning GetResponse as a holistic tool for marketers intent on achieving substantial growth. Engaging audiences with webinars. Distinguishing itself from competitors, GetResponse incorporates webinar hosting capabilities within its platform. This feature presents businesses with the opportunity to bolster their engagement strategies, facilitating live interactions, product demonstrations, and educational webinars directly through GetResponse, thereby enriching the overall audience experience. Prioritizing user experience. In the choice of a marketing platform, simplicity and efficiency are paramount. GetResponse excels in offering an intuitive interface that simplifies navigation and campaign setup, making it a breeze for users to leverage its full potential. Complemented by exhaustive analytics and A/B testing features, the platform enables informed decision-making grounded in data-driven insights. Competitive pricing for diverse needs. Understanding the varied requirements of businesses, GetResponse introduces a competitive pricing strategy that caters to a broad spectrum of needs. With the provision of a free trial, prospective users can explore the platform's capabilities firsthand. Although access to certain advanced features necessitates higher-tier plans, GetResponse ensures that businesses can scale their marketing efforts in tandem with their growth. Unwavering support for customers. The cornerstone of any digital marketing tool is its customer support system. GetResponse excels in this domain by offering round-the-clock assistance through multiple channels, including live chat and email. This commitment to support is further exemplified by an expansive knowledge base and a plethora of learning resources aimed at maximizing user success on the platform. Weighing the pros against the cons. Pros. A rich array of features extending beyond email marketing. An interface that balances simplicity with functionality, suitable for both novices and seasoned marketers. A pricing model that marries competitiveness with flexibility. The unique inclusion of webinar hosting capabilities. Cons. Access to select advanced functionalities is contingent upon subscription to premium plans. A learning curve is associated with the full utilization of the platform's extensive toolset. Conclusive thoughts. In the realm of email marketing and automation platforms, GetResponse distinguishes itself through a comprehensive feature set that adeptly caters to the modern marketer's needs. Its intuitive design, paired with competitive pricing and steadfast customer support, renders it an appealing choice for businesses of all sizes. Whether the objective is to refine email campaigns, streamline marketing processes, or actively engage audiences through webinars, GetResponse delivers a versatile solution capable of addressing a wide array of marketing requirements. For those eager to delve deeper into what GetResponse can offer and elevate their digital marketing strategy, be sure to visit https www.getresponse.com abls vpjf7m 7. Explore the features, experience the platform, and perhaps discover the missing piece in your marketing toolkit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews and tips on navigating the digital marketing landscape. Your engagement helps us bring more valuable content your way. Visit the link in the video and in the description to learn more about how GetResponse can transform your digital marketing efforts. For those interested in exploring GetResponse further and taking their digital marketing to the next level, be sure to visit the link in the video description. https www.getresponse.com AB VPJF7HA7. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and digital marketing insights. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to help you succeed in your online marketing endeavors.